Welcome to your VirgilHR legal update. With Valentine's Day approaching, a lot of organizations are thinking about fun ways to recognize employees, and recognition really matters. Gallup's research shows that well-recognized employees are almost 3 times more likely to be engaged and far less likely to leave. But as we celebrate, it's important to remember that recognition activities still need to be inclusive, equitable, and compliant with labor and employment laws. So today, let's review a few creative Valentine's Day ideas and the compliance guardrails that should go with them. Consider handwritten notes. They're meaningful, personal, and incredibly effective, but keep them neutral. Avoid language that could be interpreted as romantic or suggestive. Under Title VII, even well-intended comments can cross into inappropriate territory if they create discomfort or appear targeted at someone because of their gender or another protected characteristic. Stick to simple, professional appreciation. Next, consider offering extended time off or flexible hours. It's a great way to support work-life balance. Just make sure you're distributing these opportunities fairly and consistently. Have a clear policy and apply it uniformly to avoid claims of favoritism or disparate treatment. Surprise treats are another easy win. Coffee, snacks, or a delivered lunch for remote employees can go a long way, but be mindful of ADA considerations. For example, employees with medical conditions or religious dietary needs might need safe, inclusive options. Desk upgrades are fun too, like plants, decor, or a small gift card. Just be sure you have guidelines for what's appropriate in the workspace and document any monetary gifts for tax and equity purposes. A gratitude wall, whether it's a physical board or a shared digital space, is another great way for employees to recognize each other. But moderation matters. HR should monitor submissions to ensure comments don't reveal sensitive personal information or drift into inappropriate jokes. The EEOC reminds employers that even peer-to-peer conduct can create liability if it contributes to a hostile work environment. Across all activities, keep inclusion front and center. Avoid romantic themes, tie recognition back to your core values, and make participation voluntary. And remember, under Title VII and the ADA, employers must ensure that recognition programs don't inadvertently exclude or stereotype employees based on protected characteristics, including gender identity, sexual orientation, disability, or religion. At the end of the day, recognition should make people feel valued, not singled out. With a little planning and a compliance-first mindset, you can celebrate your team in ways that are joyful, inclusive, and legally sound. See you next week for more legal updates.